Hi friends, there is a new exciting opportunity today. It's Sustainable Energy Accelerator. Before I give you more details about it, please subscribe to this channel and also like this video so that YouTube can share it to more people who are interested in similar opportunities. So the Sustainable Energy Accelerator is an innovation program of AIIDEV Africa aimed at promoting sustainable energy solutions and fostering entrepreneurship in the energy sector. The primary goal of this opportunity is to catalyze the development and deployment of sustainable energy solutions across Africa, fostering economic growth, social progress, environmental sustainability, and address pressing energy challenges across Africa. A reminder, I'm going to share the link to the application form in the description of this video, so don't get worried that you won't share it. So this program is structured as an intensive accelerator program, providing selected participants with a supportive environment to develop their energy solutions. The accelerator program will span over a period of 6 months, featuring advanced workshop series, case study development, innovation, research, bootcamps, and mentorship sessions that will provide participants with intensive support and guidance in enhancing their knowledge, skills, and leadership abilities, thus enabling them to drive positive change in Africa's energy sector. So for those who don't know what sustainable energy is, I'll share a link in the description for places to read about sustainable energy. So the Sustainable Energy Accelerator welcomes a wide range of projects and startups focused on sustainable energy solutions, including but not limited to renewable energy generation and distribution systems, energy efficient technologies and solutions for buildings, industries and transportation, energy storage and management solutions, clean cooking technologies, smart grid and energy management systems, digital and IoT enabled energy solutions, and sustainable transportation and mobility. Please note that selected applicants will be onboarded and enrolled in the program by May 2024. Eligibility criteria. To participate in this program, please note the following criteria before proceeding with the application. You should be an applicant from a sub-Saharan African country between the age of 21 and 40. You must have a genuine interest and passion for renewable energy and green economy and a desire to contribute to the achievement of sustainable development in Africa. The applicant should demonstrate leadership potential and a strong commitment to making positive impact in their respective communities. You must be ready to commit at least 5 hours weekly and available to actively participate in the program. Applicants must have access to reliable internet connection, data, and necessary technology devices to fully participate in virtual activities and meetings. So I'll end here. If you know any young people in Africa between 21 to 40 who are working in sustainable energy, please don't hesitate to share this video with them. I'll share the application form, the link to the application form in the description of the video. Don't forget to like this video and also subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.